In an article discussing the cognitive effects of isolation, Catherine Offord writes that those who work on a spacecraft or at research facilities in Antarctica routinely report confusion, changes in personality, and episodes of anxiety and depression. Complete isolation from society has profound effects on a person or group of people. Not only are they far away from the basic necessities and safety that larger society provides, they have no reliable way to communicate with the outside world and the ones they love. Now, take an already mentally and physically unstable situation and add a parasitic monster who kills from the inside. The final barrier in the way of total isolation, i.e., the relationship among crew members, crumbles. The 1982 suspense horror The Thing opens on an Arctic landscape, wide shots showcasing the vast emptiness of the North Pole. Researchers discover that the Norwegian research base, where the only other group occupying the vacancy of Antarctica resides, has been decimated, with no understanding as to why or how. The character's state of mind devolves over time from curiosity to paranoia as they succumb to their fear of the unknown, an alien, a thing, that destroys them from the inside. Their desperation for knowledge about the monster, as well as the escalating mistrust of their companions, makes this film an excellent case study on the fear of isolation. A few years prior, Ridley Scott's 1979 film Alien explores a similar theme. Waking prematurely from a cryogenic sleep, the ship's crew is sent to check on a distress signal on an empty planet. Upon leaving that planet, they allow a terrifying new species on board. The character's lack of understanding of the xenomorph exacerbates their mistrust and fear of it and each other, leaving them to make irrational choices and to be picked off one by one by the monster or their surrounding environment. In the beginning of both Alien and The Thing, there are many instances where the viewers and characters alike marvel at the serenity of the new landscape. There is beauty in solitude, but there is also fear. In both films, the inquisitiveness and thirst for knowledge are what drives the characters in their actions. Both the crews in Alien and The Thing have a morbid curiosity towards the mysteries unfolding in the first act. That desire for knowledge becomes need when they have to fight an alien that defies most, if not all, of the rules of the world they know. They no longer have a choice in the matter. If they want to survive, they need to understand the monster. Once the threat is realized, the countdown is initiated, and the protagonist must learn what the creature is, what its weaknesses are, and then destroy it before their time runs out. Before it kills them first. In many ways, the desolate environments in these films create a barrier to prevent these monsters from eradicating the human race as we know it. Isolation, while the downfall of these films' protagonists, is also the last line of defense. As the viewers, we almost always see the film through the protagonist's eyes. In Alien, it's Ripley, and in The Thing, MacReady. Save for a few ominous scenes, we only have the same information the protagonists do. As the alien life form is introduced to the fragile ecosystem of each crew, the protagonist slowly begins to realize that they cannot trust anyone. Not only are they far away from anything close to resembling safety, they are now completely alone, unable to trust their peers, any of whom may be a walking time bomb. Suspense builds as the viewers must guess, along with the protagonist, which of their former companions will be the next to die or turn on them. Isolation on its own is devastating to the mind and body. Add to that the threat of a horrible, violent death at the hands of an extraterrestrial monster, and it's the perfect recipe for horror and suspense. It plays on the viewer's fear of loneliness, but it also leaves us wondering if some things are worse than being alone. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.